How to clear all cache and junk from Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hey everyone, and let's get started with the tricks to clear all your cache and junk. So first of all, what you have to do is click on or press Windows plus R to open the Run tab. On that, you have to search for the temp file. So type in TEMP and hit OK. Once the folder is open, you can click or press Ctrl plus A to select all, and then to delete you can click Shift plus Delete. Once you have done so, you can return back to the starter page and then again press Windows plus R to open the Run tab. This time you'll have to type in %temp% and hit OK. Repeating the same process, you'll have to select all by pressing in Ctrl plus A and then to delete, Shift plus Delete key. This will delete all the folders. You can leave some of the default folders or files here. Once this is done, again you have to open the Run tab by pressing in Windows plus R, and this time you have to type in prefetch and hit OK. This will open a new tab. After that, what you have to do is you will again have to repeat the process of Ctrl A to select all and then again Shift plus Delete to delete all the folders and files. Once this is also completed, you have to move on to the next step. Open the Run tab and search for Clean Manager, then select the drive which is drive C and hit OK. Doing so will detect all the cache and the junk files that should be deleted, and then you'll have to wait for a second. After that, a new tab is open on your screen. Hereby, you have to tick in all the files of the junk or cache and then click on Clean as System. And after that, hit on OK. Moving on to another step, you have to go to Settings and then go on Storage. Under Storage, you will see different options such as Apps and Features, Temporary Files, and how much space they have been allocating. Now to delete any of the files or the temporary files, you can just click on it. After that, wait until all have been selected or all the files that have been loaded. Click on all the boxes that you want to clean up, and after that, click on Remove Files. And just by that, you have removed all the temporary files as well. And just by following the steps, you have cleaned the temporary files or junks or cache files on your device. So that's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.